Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5068861, because of these error codes on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update and then over here you can see pause, hit pause, and once pause, resume the updates and then check. Still not working, start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. And then hit apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Again hit apply, click on start if highlighted and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is complete, 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5068861, and then click on search. Check your Windows version. So type in WINVER WinVer in Windows search box, and then over here you can see version 25H2. In my case, it is 25H2. Now check the system type. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here you will see the system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And over here, click on this KB5068861. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery. Here you can see this option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run the exe file. And then once you run the exe file, click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on finish option and let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Now you can make a double click on Windows ISO file and then run the setup file. Click on yes to allow, next, accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.